Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily's Clan. Today we are discussing a topic that's all about making a lasting impression and drawing people in. We are talking about how to be attractive and magnetic beyond just looks. Whether you are looking to boost your social skills or enhance your personal presence, this video is packed with tips to help you shine. So let's get started. We are dividing this into different segments. The first segment is all about appearance. Let's kick things off with appearance. Now, while beauty is subjective, how to present yourself can definitely impact how others perceive you. Here's how to make a strong first impression. Number 1, grooming. Consistent grooming is key. Regular haircuts, a clean look, well-kept facial hairs, and good skincare not only make you look polished but also show that you care about yourself. And don't forget about your nails. Neat nails can make a surprising difference. Dress to impress. You don't have to follow every trend, but wearing clothes that fit well and make you feel confident is crucial. Choose outfits that complement your body type and reflect your personal style. Remember, it's all about feeling good in what you wear and feeling comfortable. Body language. Your body language speaks volumes. Stand tall, keep your shoulders back, and make eye contact. A genuine smile can lighten up your face and make you seem more approachable. Remember, confidence often shows in how you carry yourself. Segment number 2, that's of confidence. Confidence is major player in being magnetic. It's not just about feeling good, it's about showing it too. Here's how you can build and display confidence. Self-acceptance. Start by embracing who you are. Accept your strengths and work on areas where you want to improve. Self-acceptance is a foundation of true confidence. Positive self-talk. We all have that inner critic, but we can turn it into a cheerleader. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Remind yourself of your achievement and qualities regularly. Practice makes perfect. Confidence grows with experience. Put yourself in situations where you can practice being assertive and comfortable, whether it's public speaking, social events, or taking on new challenges. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Segment number 3, charisma and communication. Charisma is all about how you interact with others. It's not something you're born with, it can be developed. Here's how. Active listening. Show genuine interest in what others are saying. Ask follow-up questions and engage in conversations that go beyond small talk. Active listening makes people feel valued and appreciated. Empathy. Put yourself in others' shoes. Understanding and acknowledging their feelings builds deeper connections and makes interactions more meaningful. Enthusiasm and passion. Share your passion with energy. Enthusiasm is contagious and attracts others. When you talk about what excites you, it often inspires those around you to engage more deeply. Segment number 4, that's authenticity. Being authentic is about being true to yourself. Authenticity is magnetic because it fosters trust and genuine connections. Here how to embrace it. Be yourself. Don't try to fit into a mold or be someone you are not. Authenticity comes from being comfortable in your own skin and letting your true personality shine through. Honesty. Being honest in your interactions, people appreciate sincerity and can often tell when someone is being disingenuous. Building trust through honesty strengthens relationships. To make this interactive, why don't you share your own tips for being magnetic in the comments below? And if you had any experiences where someone's charisma really stood out to you, I would love to hear about it. Also, don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more content on personal growth and social skills. And there you have it, ways to boost your attractiveness and magnetic presence through appearance, presence, confidence, charisma, and authenticity. Remember, being your best self is the most attractive thing at all. See you next time. Thanks for watching.